It was just wonderful to read all the things that people had said. I'm so pleased that that's what people feel about me and that what I do is worthwhile.
For Yale to actually turn around and our tutors to say, yeah, well done. I think that was the nicest achievement we've ever had.
Yeah.
I'll be honest.
Yeah, definitely.
I think it's a great feeling, and me myself personally, I feel very, very happy. It means a lot to me. If someone is thinking about me as a teacher, it's a great feeling. I don't know how can I thank them, because it means a lot to me.
Winning the award, I'm so proud of myself, and my family's proud of me as well, to think it matters, what I do matters to both young people and at the youth work, and I'm making a difference in people's lives, and it just makes me so happy to do that.
So I was really quiet and not outgoing at all. Never thought that I'd work on a building site. I'm over the moon about winning this award. Never thought I'd have a chance, but I'm really proud of myself from where I've come from to now.
To be honest, I didn't like it at first. I was annoyed. It upset me. I felt I was getting the reward for every abuse I've got. But when I've got to explain to it, you're helping other people. I thought, well, hang on a minute, so I've got to help someone else in a situation. Yeah, fine, bring it on. I'm getting my black dress on.